Ní amháin go bhfuil géirí go mó búirtearing seo nach agus í hisprí seo. Tonight we had the first ever Irish Language Music Awards that focused on contemporary music in Irish, rock, pop, hip-hop, rap, everything in between. Maybe a lot of people don't know, but there's a sort of burgeoning underground Irish language scene happening throughout the country. And we thought, the magazine thought it was time to sort of recognise that development and celebrate it and have an award ceremony.
Fair play to those. Gonna be the Maggie, Tommy, fair play good. Notes!
If we did this 5 years ago, you might have had 5, 10 entries for the best song, or newly written song of the year. This year we had 40 entries and we had a short list of 12 songs, so it's improving every year, and we decided to go for it. I think we did a pretty good job. There's over 200 people here tonight. Everybody seems pretty happy, there's a good atmosphere, and hopefully it'll continue next year and we'll keep it going every year from now on. Ceann rudí a tharla massam na gur thosaí Coláiste Lurgan, T.G. Lurgan a gastrú órainn mhóra ón bhearla go Gaeilge, agus ní amháin gur thosaí daoine gastrú órainn ó bhearla go Gaeilge, gur thosaí siad a scríb iad haon chumáid. Bhí gcónaí daoine ceáil agus scríb in Gaeilge, ach sílan gur thug sin sprágadú breise agus ború breise don ceáil comhamsaithe Gaeilge.
Tá nó ann inis agus an Gradaim seo. So is tógad tá ordáin ann inis agus níor an ordáin ann ribh seo.
Agus is cinál gur snowball effect an freisin, má ag an dtíine ghfuil rudí eile duna go mád, bééis siad gira rudí dhéine ar an léibhil céine. So is ionintach nuair chum is fearchas do bhfuil mar chuid gon cinál ravelóid seo agus go leanna sé rá i gcónaí réist.
Tá an táhacht leis an ceáil, éis an gataín ar dón le ceáil, agus nar tháinig tú, baidir gacéad in sin a le go teach le chéile, a le go buint soltas. Tá an ceáil an daoine a háins le chéile. Ag sin gur sin le facail, sin gur sin cinneal an ólas fáraigh le mé óna híanacht.